Why automatic lubrication? If I were to ask you this, your response would probably jump right to, why would I need an automatic lubrication system on my machine? We already have a structured maintenance program for our facility, which follows the various bearing relubrication guides. Our maintenance group has the best people who follow specified lube routes and check up on the machine for other maintenance needs. So why should we need ALS? The logical responses you probably have heard are that it improves the life of the machine, improves safety, reduces energy consumption, saves on operating costs, reduces contamination, and so on. These benefits are true, but offer nothing new and do not stand out as anything special already experienced with your current setup. So, what is different? Why invest in ALS? To answer this, let's review the basics. There are two methods to proper lubrication. The first is a manual lubrication method utilizing a grease gun or pump, and the second is controlled lubrication by an automatic lubrication system installed on the machine. Both are valid methods to dispense lubricant into the lubrication point. The dispensed lubricant's job is to separate the mating surfaces. Without a thin film of lubricating oil between the two surfaces, any type of load on the bearing will cause metal-to-metal contact, which in turn will wear critical surfaces, eventually leading to a failure. The required thickness of this oil film to keep these mating surfaces separated is very small, about 1 micron, or 1/1000th of a millimeter. To put this in perspective, a strand of hair is roughly 50 microns in diameter. Amazing to think such a small amount can be so beneficial to prevent bearing damage. Under extremely heavy loads, motion is our friend. The principle of hydrodynamic lubrication is the use of motion between two rubbing solids to create a thin liquid film between the surfaces to keep them apart. As in the journal bearing, this results in no surface contact, with shear stresses occurring in the oil film instead of between the metal surfaces. So we stated earlier there are two methods of proper lubrication, the manual method and the automated method. Again, they both lubricate the machine. However, here is what is unique and exclusive to ALS. When we manually lubricate, points are often over-lubricated so that over the time between lubrication events, optimal greasing amount is reached partially through the cycle, then drops below the optimal amount into potential wear territory. Additionally, depending on your current procedures and accessibility to these lubrication points, the machine must be shut down to re-lubricate. If an automatic lubrication system is installed, lubrication is kept in the optimal zone with small amounts, introduced often over an extended period of time, and doing so while the machine is running. No downtime necessary, which effectively takes full advantage of the principles of hydrodynamic lubrication while machine is experiencing heavy loads. Automatic lubrication ensures that there is always a thin film of lubricant between the moving surfaces, keeping them apart under extreme loads. This is the answer to why ALS, the right lubricant, in the right amount, with the right system, at the right time, to the right place, with the unique advantage of lubrication while the machine is in use, allowing for even distribution of the lubricant into tight areas and contact zones. What we have shown on the example of a single-line lubrication system is true for all kinds of automatic lubrication systems, in all applications where heavy loads and constant movement need to be considered. SKF has a wide variety of systems to choose from. For assistance in choosing which system is right for you, visit our website or contact our knowledgeable support staff so we can assist with your lubrication needs.